Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to close browser tab using keyboard. To close a browser tab using the keyboard, we have some steps for you. Make sure the tab is active. Click on the tab you want to close, or use the key Alt tab from Windows, or Command plus Option on Mac to switch tabs. Use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus W on Windows, or Command plus W on Mac to close the active tab. Repeat for multiple tabs. Keep pressing Ctrl plus W on Windows, or Command plus W on Mac to close more tabs one by one. Close the entire browser. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus W on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus W on Mac PC to close all tabs and exit the browser. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.